Imagine yourself waking up every morning, not in a sluggish haze as if you were on autopilot, but awakened with the pure, unadulterated passion that comes only when someone is on purpose. These are the words from that motivational speech by David Goggins called, "You Cannot Give Up." Through the chaos of every day, Goggins sends a message that shakes your reality and slaps you out of whatever comes next, with some bitter-turned-powerful wisdom from arguably one of its living legends. Immediately, Goggins strikes a relentless tone. He is not coming here to sugarcoat your problems or give you a pat on the back. No, he goes all in with the harsh reality of life. Those low moments where you feel like quitting, when everyone who cares seems to question your value. Take this as more than just some motivational fluff. It's a sledgehammer of reality wrapped in bare bones. 1. The power of pain and perseverance. That those words would resonate with a little more of that same agony and determination we can learn from Goggins. He doesn't give the world a smile, and tells them that life brings with it some fairness or threads of success to pull us around in smooth paths. He reframes it as an essential aspect of the process. He creates powerful metaphors, like that of pretending the struggle is having to drag a boat in from sea alone, an ordeal so tedious and physically punishing, because you have nothing left inside. This is not just a metaphor. It demonstrates the loneliness and rigorous task to persuade move towards success. But this is how Goggins lures you in. He puts all pain and struggle within reach. He tells stories about his own experiences, from sleepless nights to back injuries. He portrays someone who has done it all and came through the fire. He is no martyr. He considers suffering a means to an end. It is this raw honesty that gives his message its potency. It is more than just being strong. It involves understanding why you have to be when everything depends on the very success that may never happen if perseverance took over. 2. The discipline of the relentless. It is his notion of discipline that strikes a chord with Goggins' message. He does not teach a homily to hard work alone discipline, he writes. Not in those exact words, but something to that same effect. This assertion opens the chapter. A discipline is a craft of sorts for him, something you chase down inexorably round after circuit until it becomes second nature. As instinctive breathing, similar by all means the fidget with, would have been, maybe. This is not about doing a little more every day. This is letting discipline into all the gaps of your life. It is by making this commitment that you end up changing your mindset and even your actions. And Goggins' advice is nothing if not a dare-come invitation to persevere. He asks you to view each setback as a failure. He implores, it is an opportunity for the making of even more muscle. Such a perspective U-turn is imperative, reprogramming the way you see adversity, turning obstacles in your life from barriers to growth opportunities. His speech is a rallying cry for the downtrodden and lost, encouraging them to think of pain and suffering not as an end, but as a means towards growth. 3. The journey beyond pity. The most poignant part of Goggins' no-excuse speech quite literally begins to dismantle self-pity at its roots. According to him, residing within the trap of self-pity will only waste your energy and momentum. Instead, he is pro the action-driven and self-improvement lifestyle. This line on its own is like a really swift slap to the face, forcing you to stare straight in the eyes at how nice it feels for self-pity, and then hit past that. It serves as a reminder to quit regretting and start acting. So it can be said that David Goggins' "You Cannot Give Up" is much more than just a motivational speech. This speech should reshape your whole outlook on life. These poems are raw, metaphorical, and forceful in their discipline. They literally rip you by the collar. Goggins' message is your roadmap to personal excellence, if you are willing to see where it falls into alignment with the unresolved edges within yourself. The facility is not only in hearing inspiring quotes, but it is also in using them day and night.